So, as you can see, that's a little bit bright. Is that better? Should I make you come closer? Come a little closer. Come a little closer, baby. Yeah, whatever. So, I haven't done my makeup in a while, so I was thinking, why not get ready for no reason? Think I'm gonna do a blue look because why not? And listen, I'm not good at makeup. I'm getting better, but like I said, I haven't done it in a... Why didn't I introduce myself? Oh my god. Hey world, YouTube, whoever's watching this, my name is bennisongs, aka your makeup guru. Today I'm gonna do my makeup for no particular reason. I'm kind of getting ready for nothing. I just wanted to do my makeup, and because of these two things, my eyebrows, I'm letting them grow out. That's why they look so thick. Let me say it like that. I have to get used to it. What I'm gonna use today is the... There you go. To take me to Brazil palette, I technically all the time use that Off Tropic palette from NYX. I already prepped my lids, but I'm scared. I kind of want to do a cut crease, but I'm scared. Did I say I'm scared? I'm scared. I'm scared. So I don't know which color I should start with, but oh boy. Okay, I have to prep my lid. I'm like, what do I want to be the base? Not this one. Maybe this color. Is a dark blue. I don't know if I should start with a dark blue or more with a lighter blue. I'm scared, actually. Not scared, but it's like, and my camera, my battery is not about to die, but it's like, if you hear rain in the back, to start with the blue, with the dark blue. I'm gonna start with this blue. Yeah, I'm gonna start here. I'm in the mood for love. I guess. Let me watch something. So I'm gonna fast forward from now on and see ya. I'm gonna use it doesn't look bad, but I'm scared to do the I want to do right now. I wanted to use this blue. It's way lighter. Okay, that actually could look cute. Listen, I am coming back on here when I did the cut crease, when I'm happy with that, because now it actually looks decent to me. I'm gonna be back in, I don't know when, but I'm gonna be back. That's really, oh god.
Later.
I'm back. Now, I kind of did it. I'm satisfied with that. I don't know how it will look like in the end, but I don't know if I want to put more of the, I'm using the eye primer from NYX. The eye primer from NYX and that or the eye base eyeshadow base. I don't know, bro. And I'm gonna use that blue. Okay, wish me luck. I'm in the mood for love. Hi! My camera's still about to die. What I did, I put this beautiful light blue into my inner eye corner. I'm probably not gonna film how I'm gonna put my foundation on because my battery is about to die. I think I'm gonna see it when I have my full face on. I want to use this white eyeliner that I have in my hand, but I think this is gonna mess up the whole look. Like, do you want to tell me something? Hello. So I think I'm gonna charge my camera for, I don't know, half an hour. Try to do my makeup, come back on here and show the result of my result. I don't know how much footage that I have, but I'm definitely gonna take pictures of this. Why did I choose blue? Because I'm on the ocean. I'm close to the ocean, and that's why. Listen, putting my foundation on is like, you see me do the old other. But I guess I'm gonna come back here when I think I'm gonna straighten. I don't know which hair should I use. I think I'm gonna use Tiffany, but I'm gonna see you when I have my foundation on. Because I have to charge my camera.
Oh, brother, this
Back. So what I have to do now is, where are you at? Put the powder in my face. I kind of contoured, not really, but I kind of. And the powder that I have is way too light, so I can't bake. And leave it on there for a bit. Listen, I'm gonna take this. I took this mirror off the wall, and now I'm using it to do my beautiful makeup. And listen, my eyebrows look weird, my makeup look weird, my forehead, do you see that? This harsh line, yeah. I look pale. Straight up pale. Point is, I don't know where to find, sorry when I'm looking down, but I don't know where to find the right shade of color, something new. If you don't try, you will never see how it will look like. So what I'm gonna use this here, the white down here as a highlighter, because I don't know, gold for this look. I'm not sure about that. Can you hear my belly? Oh god. Just really like do the most because it's really, there's a lot of fallout. Let me say it like this. There's a lot of fallout. So I don't know if I want to use this as a highlighter, but we can try. The red, the head. Why am I singing this song the whole time? Now, I think you've seen it in my last vlog. The NYX matte finishing spray. Look at my hands. Focus on my hands, not on me. You see my hands? I love that every time when I'm doing, after I did my makeup. So, huge mirror. I'm just gonna put lip gloss on because I can't be bothered, okay? Because my eyes are doing a lot. It kind of looks like lip. Because because my lips are a little bit darker. Listen, I don't know why I'm putting actually lip gloss on, because I have to do my lashes. But okay, let me put my stuff away. Okay, when I'm gonna turn the camera on when I'm trying to put my lashes on. Okay, bye.
Cut the cameras. Dead ass.
I'm back. I know you can see that Tiffany's acting. What the heck? I was like, what? Tiffany's acting up a little bit because she's kind of poofy, but kind of make it work. I'm gonna take some pictures. I think I'm gonna take pictures with my camera, but I'm not sure because I want to use my phone, but I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm gonna put my lashes on now.
You're near me, honey, but when you're near me, I'm in the mood for love. I'm in the mood for love. Simply because you're near me, honey, but when you're near me,
Who's that? You want to tell me something? Like, excuse me? Who is she? Can I meet her? Okay, let's look. I will not close my eyes because my eye shadow is creasing already, so that's the look. Oh, I have to put, do I want to? No, that's too much. I have my eyelash clamp. I don't want to put mascara on because I'm just going to take pictures and that's it. So I thought my lashes flew off. So guys, I'm done. I'm diggly dang done. And if you want to see the pictures, go on my Instagram at bennisongs. Maybe I'm gonna put something on here, maybe not. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, just do me a favor. 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 If you like my content, you can watch more. I'm gonna probably put something up here or here, but I'm pretty sure it's here. But if you like me, you can do me a favor. Just punch the subscribe button. If you like me, I'm filming. Punch the subscribe button. Punch it, elbow it, roundhouse kick it, whatever you want to do with the subscribe button, do it. But only if you like me. If you don't think you like me yet, just check out more videos of me, and if you do, come back to this video and like it. Not just like it, kiss the like button, you know what I'm saying? Like a little smooch, you know what I'm saying? Be all cute and shit. And then do me another favor. So many favors that I want from you, but these favors are for free. So tickle the bell so you get notified when your girl uploads, because she grinding. You know what I'm saying? She grinding. So that's the end of the video. I am diggly dang done. Period. I'm so extra. Period. I don't know. This look gives me kind of emo vibes with the hair because it's really poofy. Wait, let me do the emo. You know the era with the, let me put a picture up here. Emo vibes. Like, you know the hair when it was like all of this, and they had the zebra hair and the I'm gonna take some pictures probably in the shower. Don't ask me me, but I'm probably will. So I'm done. Like I said, I'm done. Why I'm still rambling? I'm done. Jesus, let me stand up. Bye. I'm confused. But go ahead. Excuse me. Oh, you want to be my sugar daddy? Okay, listen. Is anybody out there who wants to be my sugar daddy? Just pay my bills. Not from time to time look cute for you. You want to do this for me?